How's it going, everybody? Julian from Genesis of Schaumburg, Rob McCline advisor. Wanted to show you this gorgeous car that's actually going out today, 2026 Genesis GV80 Coupe. We got a little bit of a rainy day here in Schaumburg today, and I wanted to show you guys this exclusive matte finish Makalu gray, just kind of how the water beads off of it. It's pretty cool. It doesn't have that ceramic finish, so it's matte. Wanted to also go over some more features on this vehicle. Alrighty guys, taking us into the 2026 Genesis GV80 Coupe. I mean, with the Seville red interior, diamond quilted Napa leather seats, carbon fiber trimming, as you see here. You have your heated and ventilated seats, heated steering wheel. You can also control your rear climate control right there as well. Also taking a look at our 27-inch OLED screen here. We have our rotary dial here as well that actually controls the gear. Reverse, drive, park, just that easy. As you notice with your heated seats on, you will feel a heated armrest keeping you warm during those cold days. Have boxes in the back and you can't see out of your rearview mirror. Genesis thought of that. Have a digital mirror. When you go in reverse, it'll even tilt down for you. Now you can get mad at your friends for slamming your car doors, because the Genesis has the soft close. Soft close. Thank you guys so much for checking out the 2026 GV80 Genesis Coupe. Come visit me at Genesis of Schaumburg to find your next coupe.